Hey everyone, it's Devin Burke, the founder of Sleep Science Academy, best-selling author of The Sleep Advantage, and your guide to a peaceful night's rest. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some news. How improving sleep can improve your mental health and life. So this isn't really breaking news, obviously, but I want to share with you a little bit of science around how sleep can truly improve your mental well-being, can truly improve your life, and can really be the anchor to a massive shift in not only your mental stability and wellness, but just in overall your just ability to enjoy life. So for those of you that are watching this that have issues with your sleep, you know how big a toll not consistently getting enough sleep takes on your mental well-being. You know that you feel more irritable. You know that you feel more on edge. You know that you make poor decisions. You know that you're not able to be fully present with those you care about. You know that you have a hard time focusing. You maybe get brain fog or headaches or trouble concentrating. This is what the price we pay when we don't get enough sleep mentally, which then leads to feelings of being emotionally sad, maybe even depressed. There's a lot of studies that link depression to not getting enough sleep, to insomnia, and vice versa. And it can be like the chicken or the egg. And I like to say, if you solve for one, you actually can solve for both. So are you depressed because you're not sleeping, or are you not sleeping because you're depressed? I mean, it's situational. But when you get the sleep you need, when you're able to truly get that solid 7 to 8 hours consistently of amazing sleep, you wake up with a sense of clarity, with a sense of ease. You make better decisions because the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that's responsible for decision making, that's responsible for, executive functioning, actually gets to be in full function. And when we get higher quality sleep, when we get enough sleep, the glymphatic system, the part of our brain, it's kind of like a dishwasher, washes out all the toxins in our brain that build up, the beta amyloid, all the plaque that builds up that can cause Alzheimer's and dementia, that gets flushed out. And we just have this sense of clarity and peace. And that comes from a peaceful night of rest. And I like to say that sleep is the foundation of health. And when you're healthy, what's good for your physical health is generally good for your mental health, and vice versa. What's good for your mental health is good for your physical health. We can't separate the mind from the body. And sleep really is that soothing aid, that reprieve when our bodies repair themselves. I was just reading this the other day, and I love it. I love it so much. It says that when we are peacefully asleep, our bodies are awake. When we are peacefully asleep, our bodies are wide awake. That's a powerful statement, and it's a true statement, because it's during the night that our bodies repair and recover. It's during the night that we work out the emotional traumas of our day during REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. Dreams occur. One of the theories on dreams is that when we're dreaming, we're actually working out all the traumas that we're processing memories. We're shifting, short-term memory into long-term storage. Our bodies are repairing and giving us the ability to have the energy to deal with the challenges of the next day. Now, this is just some of the benefits of getting a powerful, peaceful night's rest. And a lot of times people take it for granted. I know I took it for granted for a very long time. I didn't realize how important sleep was. I thought that it was something I did every night. I didn't realize that when I am asleep, my body's wide awake and it's repairing itself, and it's getting itself ready for the next day. And some of the smartest people in the entire world know this. LeBron James, Roger Federer, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ariana Huffington, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Tim Ferriss. All these amazing luminaries in business and in sport prioritize and protect their health because they know it's a key to mental well-being. They know it's a key to making good decisions. They know it's important for them to be able to process that information that they're intaking, whether it be physically or mentally. So I hope that this inspires you to really understand and take action on protecting your sleep, prioritizing your sleep, and doing what's necessary to solve your sleep challenges if you have them. I'll see you in the next video.